How to enable notifications for YouTube channel. Want to stay updated every time your favorite channel posts? Here's how to turn on YouTube channel notifications. First, search on the channel, then go to your homepage. For that, you'll need to open the YouTube app. If you're not subscribed yet, hit subscribe button. Then tap on the bell icon next to it and select Turn on device notifications and allow notifications. And head to YouTube again. Make sure iPhone notifications are also allowed. Go to Settings, Notifications, YouTube and toggle on Allow Notifications, as we just did that. Now you'll never miss a video, live stream or update from that channel. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.